Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit GTS 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. Oh, my bad, the settings icon. Okay, in settings, scroll down, tap on the system option, and here tap on about. Now scroll down and find the S/N option. This is the serial number. And once you're done checking the serial number, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.